My hind part's on the line. But when it comes to your campaign,
I don't understand. You get on me all day to be quiet about this and that.
you know what it's about loud Gibson anymore, is it? Look, I might have been involved in Gibson's death, but somebody murdered Dr. Ferragamo and they have to pay. He killed something. So the real pain. Dr. Ferragamo was the only one there for me. So I'm not gonna pretend like this thing never happened, okay? No. You don't know how messed up I was. I wouldn't have made it without
I want to get your voice on.
Let me get to the bottom of what happened. If there was foul play, I promise you, we'll come forward.
Why can't we come forward now?
Because we can. I love you. You have to know I'm doing my best.